one coin, one pump, 400% profit. This coin provides us 400% profit. I made $40,000. The coin is ITSBLOC. I shared this trade in the private list on October 17. Before the pump, we bought this coin for 0.002 and you put a sell order up here at 0.1 cent, guys. This is the picture I share in the private list. So what I do is I print screen my monitor and share all my trades in the private list for the email group who can buy the same coin I'm buying. So we increase the buyer power because the whole secret is to find those coins, guys. That's what my software is tracking right now. Volume spike plus buyer power. Let me show you something very interesting. Pay attention to the volume spike right here. The coin is ITSBLOC. Let's go down here. Pay attention to this volume right here on October 12. The volume of this coin was $19,000. October 14, the volume of this coin was $100,000, $95,000. That's a huge pump and volume, guys. That's what's going on here. The price is going flat. You got a huge pump and volume. That's when we buy. That's the reason I share my trades in the private list. Okay, trades I share in the private list on the last 3 days was ITSBLOC, Winlink, Epico, Deesse, Polymesh, and Ardor. Guys, overall today we hit 765% profit trading those coins. That is the reason I share my trades in the private list. If you want to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out. tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I will add your email in my private list email, guys, because all we focus on this channel it's volume. We love volume. Volume is confirmation, guys. I always say I don't have a crystal ball. This is bullshit. What I have here is a software running 24/7 and calculate volume, guys. Let me give you another example about how I find those pumps. Let's go to Polymesh, guys. Same exactly strategy. On October 17, I shared this trade in the private list. Before the pump, we bought this coin for 12 cents and we put a sell order up here 20 cents. We made 60% profit. Pay attention to this. Exactly the same strategy, guys. Polymesh. Go to 7-day charts. Pay attention to those numbers. These numbers don't lie. On October 16, the volume of this coin was 1.5 million. 6 hours later, the volume of this coin was $7 million. The volume pumped for 1.5 million to $7 million. What happened after? The price goes up because there is no sellers to compete, guys. There is a combination between volume spike plus buyer power. tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Let's trade together. Together we are strong. Guys, also we can trade for you and provide you 25% return of investment. Also, I will let you know when you should buy and sell the Bitcoin and the main cryptos. My software is tracking the entire market right now. We focus on the first 3,000 coins with more volume, guys. Volume is confirmation. That's how we make so much money here. We just track the volume. tradecryptotime@gmail.com. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. I'll be glad to help you with that. Okay? And that's all I got to say. Thanks for your time and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.